So let me explain the passage. There are computer models named neural networks, and they are related to the brains. And then according to some analysis, the researchers are saying that you shouldn't believe, like you shouldn't, you have to be like cautious with the conclusions of these networks, and then it's giving the example. So basically, these networks they try to copy the grid cells, and the analysis are showing that okay, 90% of the work are actually done by the networks, but only 10% of 10% matches to the behaviors of the grid cells, meaning that only 10% is similar to the behavior of grid cells. So and then later it says that even this 10% is actually like nothing. It has nothing to do with the similarity between these models and biological brains. So in the options we have to say that they have no similarity, that they are not similar. Let's look at the options. A. The rules that allow for networks to exhibit behaviors like those of grid cells have no equivalent. Yes, no equivalent means they're not similar, meaning that A is the correct option. B. The networks that do not exhibit behaviors like those of grid cells were, however, programmed with the rules. Okay, where it mentions like any similarity, like nowhere. B is out, it's off topic. C. Neural networks can often accomplish tasks like biological brains do, but they are typically programmed with the rules. Okay, again, it's not mentioning the similarity or they are similar or not. D. Once a neural network is programmed, it is trained on certain tasks to see if it can independently arrive at processes that are similar to those performed. But we already know that they are not similar. Like why it is mentioning that they have to be similar? No, we know that they are not similar, and that's it. C is also out. A is the correct option.